Yes, man. Well, make a consider one I go with up as
Alright. So we're going with I know we are going with we're here with a great and an apprentice. That's right. Talk to us, Dr. Roy Streete. What's going on here?
Yes, I just came by to see what Dr. Dixon was doing here.
Came by?
And I saw that he's doing a great job. I must congratulate him.
So how come you're all the way from New York and just happen to be in the area?
No, I'm down the street, you know, at the, what's the thing again?
Yallah's Primary.
Yallah's Primary and on the Methodist Church that we're here with our team.
So OID is doing a health fair in the area?
Yes, exactly, yes.
OID, and him draw me into this project. Okay. Him and this man here.
Yes,
so please introduce yourself, sir.
Brinsley Johnson. And I'm a resident from Yallah's and everything, and I work with Jacobi with Dr. Dixon and everything, so, you know. And this is giving back to the community. The community well in need. So we decided that, you know, after 2 years of convincing my better half to twist Dr. Streete's arm, we're here.
Okay, that's good. So what's the atmosphere been like today? Let's start with you.
Well, it's good. It's good. There's a large turnout at the Methodist Church.
Right.
And the Yallah's Primary has approximately 900 students.
Yeah.
And we're hoping to see the 900 between today and tomorrow.
Okay, so you're taking the 2 days?
Yes, 2 days, both places.
Alright, Dr. Streete, what's your feedback on what's been going on?
Oh yeah, it has been excellent, man. These mangoes in St. Thomas here. I come back anytime for them in the East India. I come back anytime for it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, no, but we do have a team of about, between the local practitioners, about 50 of us here.
Right.
And yes, of course, the general dental care and medical care. So
that's good. Dr. Dixon, I know you talk very highly of Dr. Streete. Tell us who Dr. Streete is to you.
Man is a general.
Real
big man. Him set the thing.
Him set it.
Yeah. As a youth growing up, you know, I mean, I'm not much old, you know, he's not much older than me. However, when it came to charity and give back to Jamaica, I kept on hearing Roy Streete. Rasclem, Roy Streete. Irving Clear, Roy Streete. So we don't know him as a real man in the business, you understand?
Right.
So you know, it's an honor and a privilege, you know. I went to visit him one time a couple years ago when he was in Moorestown. I was in St. Thomas also, right?
Moortown?
Moortown.
Moortown in St. Elizabeth. Oh, yeah, Portland.
Portland.
Oh,
We went to Portland. I visited him
yeah.
in Portland one time, and you know, my wife and we saw him doing this thing, and we put it together this year. I said, you know, how about you come to St. Thomas? And honestly, you know, with JAHJAH Foundation, we go everywhere. But we just want to be invited. We just don't go in places where we're not invited. So the invitation was offered, and it wasn't just an invitation. It's an invitation with a
local champion.
Local champion, which is Brinsley with a local champion. He made this happen. So I felt comfortable going in there, because you know, in Jamaica, you know, don't go in a water. Bad things without eating. That's what I mean. We get invitation, we go for you in a certain community. You understand me? So, you know, make it happen. We're going to have a great day. Sun is shining, as Bob Marley said. The weather is sweet. You understand me? Mango and tree, them live. What can you want?
Alright, well, gentlemen, thank you as Jamaicans. Thank you for giving back to your beautiful country.
Yes.
I'm sure the people who are getting the services are greatly appreciative of it, alright?
Yeah, man. All right. Yourself. OID, JAHJAH Foundation.